Breaking developments coming in, we now have confirmation that Umar Nabi, the resident of Pulwama, carried out the Delhi blast. DNA samples taken from the tattered body found in the car at the scene have matched the DNA of Umar's mother. According to the Delhi police, after the blast, his leg was stuck between the steering wheel and accelerator. So those are some details that are coming to the fore. Arzu, now we have confirmation the DNA that was present in the mangled remains of the car matches the DNA of Umar's mother that the police had obtained just a few days ago. So we now have confirmation that it was indeed Umar, the resident of Pulwama, who actually carried out this terror attack.
Well, definitely, the explosion inside the car was carried out by Dr. Umar Nabi, a resident of Pulwama, Jammu and Kashmir. And investigators have now confirmed his identity through the DNA testing, as samples were earlier taken from the, mangled remains from inside the burst damaged car. As it was said that nothing was left, it was just the parts or the mangled that was remained, and also which was matched with the DNA sample of Umar Nabi's mother, which was also taken, and officially establishing that he was the one who executed the Red Fort, car bombing. Earlier, the photo was seen through the CCTV camera, and it was said that it is Umar Nabi, but now the confirmation has come as the DNA test of Umar Nabi and also his mother DNA matched with each other. So it's now confirmed that Umar Nabi was the person, a resident of Pulwama, Jammu and Kashmir, was behind the blast that took the life of the 8 people and injured several. So this forensic confirmation has given a major breakthrough to the investigation, which had earlier suspected Umar's direct involvement based on the travel records, also recovered digital evidence, CCTV footage, the face that was came wearing the black mask. But it was important to get the official confirmation, the proof, and now the DNA sample of Umar's mother, which now matched with the Umar Nabi's DNA. So this shows that this was the person, Umar Nabi was the person who was behind the blast that happened at the Red Fort.
Absolutely.